thank you so much. Sobrang grateful lang po talaga ako. Thank you po for this time.
And we are so happy to have you here, Devin. It's such an honor for us. Now, alam mo, very busy, sobrang may mong ginagawa bilang celebrity and all, right? How do you keep yourself feeling fresh, young, you know, looking beautiful all the time? So yeah.
Well, for me kasi, mandatory is you always remove your makeup. Always remove it before you sleep. And actually, yung skincare routine ko talaga, madali lang eh. Hindi siya yung talagang komplikado. All you have to do is, syempre, cleansing, nandyan yan to remove the skin impurities, and nandyan yung second is yung skin prep. Syempre, kailangan natin yan for the toner to like, syempre, para yung nutrients nun ma-absorb ng ating face, and syempre, yung moisturizing. Syempre, kailangan natin yung moisturizing na yan to keep a youthful glow, and pinaka-importante po is ang sunblock. Syempre, kasi syempre, prevention is better than cure. Syempre, hindi na tayo bata, so parang wala na yung wrinkles niya.
Exactly. Ako rin nag-moisturize din ako. Kaya kung mamaya gabi, tatagalin ko na yung makeup ko.
Yes! Oo, dapat talaga.
Alright, so, of course, may mga tanong. Of course, nandito yung ating media partners. I'd like to ask our media team to, ask your questions if you have any questions that you have for Ms. Chi Filomeno. Our staff are going around, they'll be giving you mics, and please encourage you to ask your questions.
Hi, Chi.
There you go.
Ayun po. Right here po. We have here Kate Atamar from Brando.
Hi, Chi. Good evening. Congratulations. Can you share with us how did skincare approach you to become their first endorser? And what's your reaction?
Reaction ko, I was really happy because my mom told me the story behind everything. Kasi ang skincare talagang, alam mo, nagsimula sila sa bottom hanggang nandito sila ngayon. Kasi ang sabi nila, matagal na po nila akong gustong kunin. And nakakataba ng puso kasi ako yung first choice nila. And to think na talagang gumawa sila ng paraan to like make me as their first ever ambassador, nakakataba po ng puso. And I'm just really happy and grateful na we are in this together. And thank you for the help na binibigay niyo din po sa amin.
And definitely thank you for saying it, yes. You have here right now. Alright. Another question from our media partners.
I just want to ask that among the products, which one is your favorite?
Definitely, the rejuvenating set. Oo, yung sinabi mo kanina.
Thank you.
Alright, rejuvenating set. Sabi ko kanina, dapat mag-group ka muna natin, di ba? Okay, any other questions?
That's next one from Push.com.
Okay, Push.com.
Hi, Chi. Congratulations for your endorsement. And I know that you've been very busy now, and how do you keep yourself glamorous and glowing all the time, given all your commitments?
Given all my commitments, syempre, you really have to take care of yourself from the inside also, hindi lang from the outside. Kung ano yung don't deprive yourself of the food, don't deprive yourself of things you want to learn. So, syempre, kailangan pa rin natin yan in our daily lives. So, syempre, to keep a glowing skin, nandiyan ang skincare to help me. And, syempre, yung mga taong nakasurrounded sa'yo, yun yung pinakamalaking impact din sa buhay mo. And parang hindi nakakapagod lahat ng gagawin mo when you're working, when you love what you do.
Exactly right. Very important din, I heard, sleep. Yeah, sleep ang sinabi ko.
Pero, minsan hindi ka nabibigay.
Yeah, pumwede lang. Alright. Any other questions from our media partners? Okay. Maybe we ask our guests. Oh, may naman place pa? Okay, sorry. Go ahead.
One more question. Kasi, syempre, hindi naman natin maiiwasan na nasa-stress din tayo, di ba? What's your go-to
yourself out on a day. Para din malaman mo kung ano yung gusto mo in life, kung ano yung mga nagtitake off. Kunwari, kung ano mga kapag-stress sa'yo, malalaman mo eh. You will know kung ano mga kailangan mo at hindi kailangan mo sa buhay. So, iwas lang din sa stress, para maiwas sa stress. Siyempre, you have to surround yourself with people na hindi naman pabigat, pero yung won't judge you and won't tolerate you for things that you do. Siyempre, you have to listen to them.
Exactly. Gusto ko yung take yourself out on the day. Mahalaga yun. Me time. Okay, any other questions from our media partners?
John Bueno po from Magkahanan ko.
Okay.
Hi, Chi. Ayan, good evening. First of all, congratulations on, of course, the new endorsement. How serious are you with regards to your skin? Do you follow a strict skin regimen so that you won't have breakouts or certain stuff that you don't actually use because you're taking care of your skin?
Well, hindi ko masasabing trial and error when it comes to skincare. Kasi here in the Philippines, we have a humid weather. So, syempre hindi pwedeng maraming nilalagay sa face. So, perfect talaga yung skincare na rejuvenating set, the maintenance set. So, yun talaga yung nakakatulong din sa akin. And syempre, wag kayong matutulog with your makeup on. Kasi yun yung talaga nakaka-breakout din sa face.
Have you ever experienced sleeping with your makeup on? And what was like the worst condition that you've had with regards to your skin?
Actually, di talaga. Kahit gano'ng kapagod, or you know, lumalabas naman tayo on a night out, syempre kahit gano'ng kapagod, kahit gano'ng ka, you know, tipsy, syempre kailangan pa rin talaga tanggalin yung makeup. And, what was your second question?
That's about it. Okay. Thank you.
Alright. Very important in the face before sleeping. I've heard horror stories about nung nakatulog yung makeup after a few days, for a few months na siya. So yes, definitely. Remove your makeup after or before sleeping. Okay.
What has significantly changed when you try the skincare products?
Alam mo, hindi lang youthful yung mukha ko. I feel youthful also. I feel very young and glowing, as you can see. Kahit wala pa akong makeup, very glowing pa rin. So I'm just really happy kasi when a product or consult me, syempre kailangan ko talaga gamitin. I don't want to endorse something na hindi ko naman ginagawa.
And dear, ikaw ba mas like, do you want people to get attracted to you with makeup on or without makeup on?
Both, actually both. Kasi wala namang masama sa paggagamit ng makeup to enhance what you have. And especially nakakatulong yung skincare pagka I don't feel like I don't wanna use my makeup, diba? Ayaw ka ng mabigat na feeling. So very helpful talaga yung rejuvenating set and the maintenance set of skincare.
Thank you. Congrats.
Alright. Other questions?
Yes, po. They're from
There you go.
Sir Nicky Wang.
Hi, G. Again, congratulations. Is it easy? Is it easy for us to assume that it was an easy yes for you accepting this endorsement?
It was an easy yes, actually, and especially knowing the story behind skincare. So, hindi talaga ako nagdalawang isip to say yes to this family. And thank you very much for the warm welcome po. Thank you.
And also, how does skincare products complement your active lifestyle?
It complements my active lifestyle kasi sobrang dali niyang gamitin eh. Hindi siya komplikado kasi nandiyan na sa harap mo and it doesn't take up much of your time. So, yeah.
Alright, congratulations again. Thank you.
My question is, when does she feel most confident and anong advice mo sa mga tao na nagsistruggle with their self-confidence?
With their self-confidence, ako naman, tagal din eh, bago ko nakuha yung self-confidence na yun eh. Yung feeling na, I am me. Yung feeling na yun. And it's a long process. But that I love. And I am surrounded by walang etchos to. As in, I'm really happy. Yung nasa likod ako, I really wanted to cry kasi nga, ito ba na to, hindi naman for me, it's for us. So thank you.
Give her a round of applause.